What JP doing again? Fixing cars? Yes sir, I'm fixing cars, boy. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a fuel pressure switch. I'm sorry, not fuel, oil pressure switch. This is the Blazer 1998. So the switch is behind the distributor. So right there. Mine is 3 terminals. So I already took it out the old one, so I'm gonna tight the new one now. You see? Tight. I didn't even get a wrench. I got it out with a channel lock. So now we just gotta put a channel lock and tie it good. And that's it, you know. I don't know if I can record this one with a baby channel lock. I mean, you're supposed to remove the what is it called, the distributor, but I don't have time to do that. Alright, for me it's gonna be impossible recording and just so that's how you replace, boys. Then you just reconnect the connector, but it was a lot of oil leaking, you know. It was going underneath under the car, a lot. This is the electric connector. See, it has a lot of oil. All right.